G'day folks, Adam here from Ruslan Foundry. This time we are having a look at our new general purpose 2-ton truck. This is probably the simplest kit we have looked at for a little while. So here we have a simple 4-ton truck. I've said it before and I'll say it again, I'm no master painter. So we've got handbrake lever, external, everything else is pretty standard. No opening doors as per the prototype. It's just designed to put stuff in and job done. As you can see, I've painted this one. The kit as comes will come with your body. This one is painted as standard. They would be, in this case I've used a dark grey filament. Colour tends to be what I can get hold of. Sitting in our body is a large 3D printed crate. That is, I guess, a bonus. Inside our crate, now that we've emptied it, the crate has served its purpose. We've got couplers of your choice. As with all of our 2-axle wagons, these can have link and pin, dumb buffer, or a representation of centre sprung buffer that I've added to the range. We've got our axle boxes, that's a link and pin socket. Now we have 3 identical axle boxes and one different one, which has got the handbrake pivot on it. We have our handbrake handle and a single little nail that forms our pivot pin for the handbrake. Of course, we don't leave it actually pivoting, but it's there and looks right. On top of what comes in your kit, all that you'll require is the wheel set of your choice. I've got the trusty old train department curly spokes. These will accommodate any up to 35mm and out to 45mm wheel rail spacing wheels. These are about 32mm from memory. And we also require your adhesive, anything that will bond plastic to itself. So assembly is ridiculously simple. We turn the wagon on its back. We apply glue to all of these spots. Now the only slightly technical part of this one is that the axle box with the handbrake goes on the same side as this little eyelet to the back, like so. So we'll install our couplings. Regardless of your coupling option, they all go in the same. A little bit of glue into their slots. We grab our wheel sets, put the counterpart in and drop them into the slot. And I didn't. And there we go. Now, because we're doing this on camera and a little bit quicker than I usually would, I'm going to put a little bit of tape on the couplings to keep them in place. And normally I would just leave the wagon upside down for a little while. There we go. And of course this tape can come off. Once the glue is set. Something I've added to any of the newer models is we've got our brand on the bottom. Just thought it was a nice touch. Okay, now we want to sit the axle, the whole wagon, with this side up. We want to get our handbrake and the little nail, which I don't have any fingernails, that will fall straight through. And I've forgotten where I put the glue. We put a dab of glue on there. We find our nail. I don't claim to be perfect. And we line that up there and position it as we want it. I like to have the handle up near the bracket. You could put a link of chain through that eyelet to hold the handbrake off as required. But then that is one assembled wagon, which make up a reasonably nice little rake. These are available on our Facebook page or via email. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.